Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and today we are opening the May Simply Earth subscription box. Now this monthly essential oil recipe box will have 4 full-size oils as well as recipes that we can make fun things using the ingredients inside of our box. This monthly subscription box is $39 a month, but don't worry, you can cancel at any time. And right now I have a great deal that I want to share with you. So if you go to simplyearth.com and sign up for their monthly subscription box, then you can put in the code thecraftyblogstalker with no spaces, and you can get a $40 gift card for your next purchase. And you can use that gift card on your next subscription box, or you can just go and buy other supplies from their website. So that is a great deal. It's basically a buy one, get one free. Okay, now before we open our monthly essential oil recipe box, I want to remind you that every time you make a purchase from Simply Earth, whether it's from their website or from their subscription boxes, 13% of those profits go to end human trafficking, and that is just such a great cause. So I'm gonna get my craft knife. We are going to break the seal on our May recipe box, and we are going to see what's inside. I love this part. It's my favorite part. Okay, so we're gonna open it up. Oh, and I see soap making. Okay, I'll read that later. That's for me for later. Oh, yay, okay. Ooh, we have, oh, if I can get it out. We have Tranquility. And let's see. Of course I have to smell them. Oh, you guys. This smells just like a spa. Tranquility. I like that one a lot. That one would be good in a diffuser all by itself. And then we have frankincense. Frankincense. And of course these are all 100% pure. That smells so good. Oh, all of these scents are so relaxing. Frankincense, sorry, I don't know why I feel like I have to sing. Oregano. Let's smell that one. Oh, it smells like oregano. Weird. But it's a very clean smell. And orange. Oh, I love citrus. I love anything citrus. It's one of my favorite oils. Smells like a freshly peeled orange. So yummy. There is the orange. Yay, you guys, this box is gonna be awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and dig into the supplies that we have. We have melt and pour soap base in this cute little container that has cubes separated so you don't have to use it all. Melt and pour soap base. We have this cute little soap mold that inside says 100% handmade. Little silicone square mold. That is super cute. I love making soap. I have several soap tutorials on my blog, so I can't wait to make that one. And then we have some rose clay. Okay. Now let's see what our recipes are for this month. We have herbal surface cleaner. Ooh, a surface cleaner. That's awesome. We have rose quartz soap. So we'll be using the rose clay, the melt and pour soap base, and that cute little mold, I bet. Unwind diffuser. Ooh, the diffuser blends are my favorite. I love them. I smell diffusers all day in my office. Depuff Ice Facial. Oh, interesting. To use, apply to face to help soothe puffiness and improve complexion. Definitely gonna have to try that. And let's be frank. Let's see. Oh, this is gonna go in a roll-on bottle. And it says apply to pulse points to support calm and honesty. Honesty. Can we give it to our children? Rose Sugar Scrub Soap. Ooh, sugar scrub. You guys, this is like spa in a box this month. This is so awesome. And I think that's all. Yep, we're back to herbal surface cleaner. So of course, inside our box, we also have our stickers, our easy peel stickers, so that we can easily label everything and everything will match. Awesome. You guys, I am so excited to start breaking into these recipes. Make sure to follow along. I'll post some of the recipes that I make using these recipe cards from the monthly essential oil recipe box, so you can see how they turn out. But the only way for you to experience them yourself is to get the box. So make sure that you sign up for the monthly subscription box using that code thecraftyblogstalker to get your $40 gift card. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.